come pack with me while I get ready to go on my birthday trip. But first, before I can do anything, we gotta have champagne. So, first, I like to start by packing up my makeup. I got this little case off of Amazon. It has a mirror in it and it lights up. I like to go in the order in which I'm going to put my makeup on. So, my primer, my eyeshadow, and then like concealer, blush, and then all of my brushes that need to go in there. Next, I move on by packing my packing cubes. So I got these packing cubes on Amazon. You can just literally go and search packing cubes. They got some on sale right now for Prime Day. And I start out by packing all of my bathing suits. I do one bathing suit per day because we're going to a tropical location. And I just really hate having to get into a wet bathing suit. And then the resort we're going to, we have our own pool, so I figure, hey, we'll probably be in and out of the pool a whole lot. Oh, there's Mr. Bentley with his little diaper on. Say, hey, Mr. Bentley. I also do one cover up per bathing suit. I just like to coordinate them, and as you can see, I have a lot of bathing suits, so whenever we go on vacation, it's just my opportunity to wear everything. The packing cube just help me stay organized because I'll know where everything's at. And they are really good for compressing the outfits. So I can kind of like throw things around and play Tetris in my suitcase just in case I'm worried about having space. After I get everything all zipped up, I'm going to move on to my next set of clothes, which is going to be all my day outfits. Just like with my swimsuits, I'll do an outfit per day just in case like we're going to breakfast in the morning and then switching to a swimsuit in the afternoon and then going to dinner in the evening. And one little trick I did pick up from my husband that I guess I stole was I just did some matching sets. So blue shorts, blue top, green shorts, green top, and so on and so forth with the matching sets. It's just really easy for me to throw stuff in there and not have to style anything. Then I just threw some dresses on top for when we go to dinner at night, since some of the restaurants have restrictions. And zipping everything up. Suitcases by Vacay. And thanks for listening. Bye.